Building a brand strategy is no simple feat, but by following these steps, you can successfully implement strategies to take your brand to the next level. The last video taught us how to build brand loyalty and gather insights into marketing trends to drive business growth. In this episode, Megha Jain, online campaign manager at Digital Freak, will explore how a brand can leverage its buyer's persona to create a foolproof strategy considering the buyer's challenges and barriers.
Now we are going to create a strategy for our brand Spotify. Okay, we have to create a buyer persona. Now, how do we create a buyer persona? We are going to use this particular template by HubSpot. Okay, so in this, I will give you all 111 product. Okay, now in these products, what you have to do is you have to decide that what is the age, gender, location, marital status, and income of people who are more likely to consume this product. Okay, interest and behavior means what are the interest and behavior of these people who are coming to the platform. What are their personal goals, okay, and challenges. And lastly, we have barriers. Barriers means what can stop them from consuming our product. Challenges basically means, pain points, customers' expectations from your product. And challenges are pain points. Interest and behavior, 5-6 points like this, and demographics. Here you can put the name, make sure you put both male and female. Here you can put the age, and here highest level of education and the platforms that they. I'm going to share with you a sample that how exactly does this look like if we complete it. So just give me 1 minute, I'll show you a sample. So I have taken the names as Rohan and Riya. Okay, so I hope you can see my screen. Always take both male and female if it is a unisex product. So I am basically selling an SEO workshop. This is not a big course. This is a small course that we are selling worth rupees 3,000. Okay, so who will consume this? Who will buy this SEO workshop from me? The person who is a BBA graduate, the person who wants to pursue internship or want to do a job later, a person who studies on laptop or phone. See, if a person would not have laptop or phone now, that means that this person is not a customer. Because if this person doesn't even have laptop, phone, and doesn't even learn online, that means that this person would not even prefer this SEO online workshop, right? If you are a person who studies a lot online, you would be a good audience for this. But a person who has never used laptop or phone for learning might not prefer this workshop as well. And this person should have at least pocket money so that this person can afford the workshop. So this is the buyer persona that I have created. And this buyer persona is very much based on your assumptions, and later it can be wrong as well. So companies keep experimenting. Ye nahi chala to dusra bana lenge, right? So over here, this is how it would be created. Income level should be at least 5,000, right? Now, if I look at the demographics are 18 to 24. Okay, people who want internships or are just starting with beginner level job, they are somewhere in 18 to 24, right? Male, female, both, India, tier 1 to 3 city all. And these are the people who use social media, interact in community, play online game. Indirectly, we are targeting people who use phone a lot, phone or laptop. Okay, and their interests are that they are interested heavily on SEO, email marketing, content creation. थोड़ा बहुत interest होना चाहिए digital marketing में. So these are the interests that we have put. But in challenges and barriers, now we have put another thing. First, let's discuss about challenges. Challenges means that what are the problems that they were facing that we are solving for them, right? So those would come in challenges, that what are users' expectations from you. Barriers means that why this person will not buy your product. Maybe because competitor is offering the same course at a less amount of money. Maybe you don't like learning in a group. Maybe you don't have discipline in sticking to deadline. Maybe you are not free in evenings, or maybe you have a busy schedule altogether, right? So due to all these reasons, you might not consider our product. So those are the barriers, and challenges are what you are helping customers overcome through your product.
If you have made it to this point in the video, do subscribe for more such content. And click on the link below to check out our other courses. We offer an array of programs from top universities in India as well as abroad. Alright, now let's get back to the lesson.
Now let's take a quick example about hair dye. Okay, so over here in our offer you will write that this is a quality hair dye that doesn't use ammonia and is healthy and can be used by people of all age groups. So that is your offer. Background can be that this person is literate, of course. This person wants black hair or brown hair. Lifestyle is that this person basically is a person who does job and doesn't stay at home for long and basically doesn't have time. So this person wants a quick fix key, in 5-10 minutes the person just colors the hair. So that's why the person can use shampoo color, similar to what I think Garnier or Godrej offers, right? Income level. Now if your hair dye is very expensive, then you would want at least this person to earn 25,000-30,000 rupee per month, right? And if this product is very affordable, then of course income level would not matter. Interest are that this person is interested in hair dye, hair care product, then shiny hair, then how to turn gray hair into black hair back. So these are the interest of these people. Okay. Now if we talk about barriers, why this person might not consume my product, the barrier can be that the person doesn't trust my brand, or maybe my product is very expensive, my brand is very new in the market, competitors have a very good market share, or maybe my product has certain ingredients that are quite what I would say dangerous, like it has a lot of ammonia, or maybe it has a lot of sulfate that a person might not like, and my product is not natural and might have some side effects. So those are the barriers. Challenges means that what are the challenges that these people are facing that I am helping, that these people don't have time. So our hair dye will be just 5-minute quick fix. And maybe people want black hair, but not jet black, but little black brown. So that also we can help. So basically what I'm trying to say is challenges have problems that people are facing that we are helping them overcome through our product.
We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop this video a like, share it with your friends and colleagues. If you want to learn and explore more such topics, head to the link below to gain access to more marketing lessons and subscribe to this channel for more. Until next time.